What if you could build your own robotic exoskeleton right from your home? No patents, no price tags, just pure open science. This is not science fiction. This just became reality. A team of researchers from the University of Eastern Finland has just released something groundbreaking, an open-source blueprint for a fully functional rehab exoskeleton. This design is free for anyone, yes, even you, to download, build, and upgrade. The exoskeleton is designed to help stroke patients regain arm movement. It uses lightweight 3D printed parts, sensors, and simple motors. Best part? You can assemble it with off-the-shelf components and open-source software. The team didn't just drop a blueprint, they uploaded everything: 3D models, source code, and even detailed tutorials. It's like Lego, but for life-changing wearable tech. And here's where it gets even more exciting. Because it's open source, anyone can now experiment: students, engineers, startups. This could be the beginning of a whole new wave of human-robot interaction, led not by big corporations, but by creators like you. So here's my question for you. If you could design an exoskeleton for any purpose, what would it be? Drop your idea in the comments. I'll give a heart to the best ones. And if you love science and want India to lead the future, subscribe to @Sci X24 right now. Big things are coming. Be part of the mission.